So not only do we have to look at the data, and we have to break it up into discrete and continuous, and quantitative and qualitative, but we need to ask ourselves, does it actually make sense? One of the things that you should always focus on is never taking numbers for granted. Numbers can be used to mislead people depending upon what is said. So you need to look at the data intelligently and know who your sources are. So let's go ahead and look at a problem, and we'll talk about ways that we can break it down. The head of police said that 90% of the police force had never taken a bribe. Okay, what do you think of the figure of 90%? Is it possible to know for sure exactly what the percentage is? How did they do it? Who is making the claim? Is it possible that the head is biased? Okay, he is the head of police. He wants them to not take bribes because that's doing his job. So there could be bias. We are not sure. We need to look more at the data. What do you think of the figure of 90%? Is it possible to know for sure what the percentage is? So my question would be, how did he find 90%? Was it a survey that the faculty filled out? Was it an audit that was come in by a different company? How did they come to the number 90%? And can you change the wording of the statement to make it better? You could say, the head of the police force found that an external audit of the division saw that 90% of the force had not taken a bribe. Okay, that would be giving the source. It would be coming from a source that's not biased. It would be coming from studies and surveys and everything like that. You're getting a better idea of how to explain your data and how trustworthy sources are.